రాజ్భవన్ లో సంక్రాంతి వేడుకలు జరుగుతున్నాయి. ఈ వేడుకల్లో గవర్నర్ తమిళిసై మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
Today what song we are going to release on Ram Mandir? One song we are going to release on Ram Mandir. Don't you come. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. తెలంగాణ ప్రజలందరికీ సంక్రాంతి పొంగల్ శుభాకాంక్షలు. మీ అందరూ సంతోషంగా ఆరోగ్యంగా ఆనందంగా ఉండాలని నేను పొంగల్ పండుగ ప్రార్థిస్తున్నాను, దేవుడిని ప్రార్థిస్తున్నాను. ఐఎమ్ రియలీ వెరీ హ్యాపీ టు సెలబ్రేట్ ది సంక్రాంతి పొంగల్ at Rajbhavan, and it's a special Pongal for all of us, and I pray for the wellness of all the people of Bharat as well as the people of Telangana, my brothers and sisters and elders and youngsters, and it should be a prosperous Pongal and each and everyone should be happy, and we are very happy. As I said, it's a special Pongal because we are going to have the Ram Mandir this year, and this is a very special occasion, and today afternoon we are going to release a song on Sri Ram in Telugu as well as in English, Hindi, and on that day we had the opportunity to have the Ramar Paduka here, and the doors for Ramar temple, the great Ramar temple, has been made in Hyderabad. And I also visited the timber producers of that Ram temple doors. So it's a special occasion for each and one of us, and we celebrate it, and this Pongal should bring all prosperous to all the people of Telangana. Thank you. We are going to Delhi, but we are going to celebrate Pongal there. All the Tamil ministers and ministers from Tamil Nadu and the officers from Tamil Nadu are celebrating the Pongal at the house of Murugan, our MOS. He is from Tamil Nadu, and we have been invited to participate, and fortunately our Honorable Prime Minister is going to attend the program, and we are having the cultural programs from Tamil Nadu as well as Puducherry. And because it's a traditional program, and last year also we celebrated it, we all traditionally people from our own state celebrated, and not only my own state, as a daughter of Tamil Nadu I am going to attend, and as sister of Telangana I am going to attend, as daughter of Puducherry also I am going to attend. It's a great event, and because of that I am going to Delhi. Only for celebration I am going to Delhi. Going to Delhi means immediately don't predict certain things. Only for celebration and for happy occasions we are going. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Nice. You all wish you all the best, my media friends, and take Pongal. Okay.